Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to clear cache in Google Chrome. So in order to clear your cache, maybe because you're facing some issues on your system, like while trying to browse, it takes longer, or you just want to fix it from your end. So all you need to do is open up your Chrome browser and you're going to click on the three dots right here on your screen. Click on that. You're going to see a menu drop down. You're going to click on settings, so you have to click on settings, right, more tools, and try to go down and see settings. So once you click on settings, in your left hand side you're going to see privacy and security. Click on that and you're going to see where it says delete browsing data. Click on that and you're going to see this. So what you simply need to do is, first of all, make sure you tick all the boxes, but maybe you don't want to actually delete all your browsing history. You can just tick off this, and maybe you want to just tick off because of the website you visited for the first time. You can simply do last 15 minutes and also tick on this, because all the last 15 minutes, whether you browse or the cookies, other sites data, cache images and files, and you click on delete, so it's going to actually delete that. But maybe you want to just do an all-time delete of browsing data. You can just click on all time right here to clear everything and you click on delete. So once you click on delete, you have to leave your Chrome browser and try to open it up again. So once you open it up, you are good to go. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.